students, we have discussed matrix multiplication, and we have discussed the properties of matrix multiplication also, in that associative and existence of identity and distributive properties. And we have solved one problem of that is of associative property we have proved. Next is one more, it is to show, it is to verify, it is of distributive property. So I have given the problem: if A matrix is given and a matrix B and a matrix C, three matrices are given, we have to calculate what is AC, what is BC, what is A plus B into C, and verify A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. So first we have to calculate AC. So how to calculate AC? A into C. First we see what is A into C. A is a matrix of 3 by 2, 3 by 3, and this is of 3 by 3, and this is of 3 by 1, 3 by 1, 3 rows and 1 column. So AC means A and C, this is of 3 by 3 and 3 by 1. So the answer is of 3 by 1. So it is equal to, AC is equal to 3 by 1, means first row 0, 0 into 2 is 0, 6 into minus 2 is minus 12, minus 12, 7 into 3 is 21, plus 21. So we are getting a 3 by 1 matrix, 3 cross 1 matrix. Second row, minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, minus 12, then minus 12, 0 into minus 2 is 0, and 8 into 3 is 24. Next, third row, 7 into 2 is 14, plus 0, then 8 into 7 into 2, 7 into 2 is 14, minus 8 into 2 is minus 16, minus 16 plus 0. So this is equal to 12, minus 12 plus 21 is 9, 9, then 24 minus 12 and 30, 12, and the last one is 7, last one, A into C, is 8 into 2 is 14, and we are calculating 8 into C is 13, and minus 8 into minus 2 is minus 16, plus 0 is 30. So we got the value of AC. Next we will calculate what is BC. BC is also, B is of a 3 by 3 matrix, C is of 3 by 1. So we get the answer of 3 by 3 matrix. So what is the answer we get when we calculate BC? BC is the first row into first column. First row is into first column is 0 into 2 is 0, and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, minus 2, plus 3, 1 into 3 is 3. Next, second row, first column, second row is 1 into 2 is 2, 0 into 2 is 0, and 2 into 3 is 6. So 2 plus 6, 2 plus 6. Next, third one, 1 into 2 is 2, 2, then minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, plus 0. So it will be 1, 8, and minus 2. So we have calculated first row, because there is only one column, first row, first column, second row, first column, third row, first column. So only we get a matrix of 3 by 1. So 1, 8, and minus 2. So we have calculated AC, BC. Next we have to calculate A plus B. A plus B is what? A plus B, we have to add A and B. So the entries are 0, 7, 8, 0 7 8. Next is minus 5 0 8, minus 5 0 8, and the third one is 7 minus 7 8, minus 5 0 10 it is. Then last one is 8 minus 6 0, 8 minus 6 0. Now we have calculated a plus b. Now we have to calculate what is a plus b into c. A plus b into c. So a plus b is here and c is there. So again we have to get a value. A plus b is of 3 by 3 and c is of 3 by 1. So again we have to get a matrix of 3 by 1. So first row is 0 into 2 is 0, 7 into minus 2 is minus 14, then 8 into 3 is 24, then second one minus 5 into minus 10, plus 0, then 10 into 3 is 30, next 10 into 3 is 10 into 3 is 30, next last one 8 into 2, 8 into third row and first column, 8 into 2 is 16, then minus 6 into minus 2 is plus 12, then 0. This is equal to, we get 24 minus 14 is 10, 20, 10, 20, then 12 is 28. So we have calculated a plus b and a plus b into c. The thing is we have to verify a plus b into c. We got this answer, and to verify ac plus bc, now we have to calculate what is ac plus bc. So ac and bc we have calculated. After all this we calculate what is ac plus bc. So what is ac plus bc? AC plus bc, we have to add two matrices AC plus BC. AC is 9, 12, 30 and BC is 1, 8, minus 2. When we add element wise, we have to add 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, 12 plus 8 is 20, 30 minus 2 is 28. So we get it is 10, 20, 28. So AC plus BC is 10, 20, 28 and A plus B into C is also 10, 20, 28. Therefore A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. So this we have verified. So we have calculated AC and BC separately, then we have calculated A plus B. After A plus B we have to calculate A plus B into C. So we got one answer. Then AC plus BC. So this is AC plus BC. So we can verify, we have verified. So this value and this A plus B into C values are same. Therefore A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. So this problem is also very important for 5 marks. It is one of the 5-mark problem. So here we have verified the distributive property of matrix multiplication, or here we have verified matrix multiplication, or multiplication is distributed over addition. Distribution means distribution is just, it is not a just distributive property, it is a matrix addition or multiplication is distributed over addition. Next problem, this is also one of the important problem. Next we have to calculate one more problem. If A is equal to if A is equal to a matrix of 3 by 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. So this is a given matrix. Then show that a cube minus 23a minus 40i is equal to 0. So this is one matrix is given, A matrix is given. We have to show that A cube minus 23A minus 40I equal to 0. So therefore first we have to calculate what is A cube. So how to calculate A cube? A cube is, we know that A cube means what? A into A into A. So first we have to calculate A square, then after that A cube, next to 23A, after that 40 I is identity matrix. So first calculate A cube. So before that A square. So A square is A into A. We have to calculate A into A. So if now only one matrix is given, so better to write the matrix, then it will be easy. So 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. So again same matrix, 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. So this is a matrix, two matrix A and A. Next we have to multiply this. So this is of 3 by 3, this is of 3 by 3, means the answer is also of 3 by 3. So this is equal to a matrix of again 3 by 3, 3 rows and 3 columns. So what is that? First row and first column. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 3 is 6 plus 3 into 4 is 12. So first entry 1, 6 plus 12. Second one is 1 into 2 is 2. Then 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Then 3 into 2 is 6 plus 6. Next 1 into 3 is 3. Next 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So 3 rows and 3 columns. So the first one is like this. Next one 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus 6 plus 4. Again 3 into 2 is 6. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Then 1 into 2 is plus 2. Next 3 into 3 is 9. Then 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 2 into plus 1 is minus 2. Then 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1. So next one is third column and first row. Third column is 4 into 1 is 4. Then plus 6 plus 4. First third column, third row and first column. Then next one is 4 into 2 is 8. Then 2 into 2 is minus 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 2. Then 1 into 2 is plus 2. After that 4 into 3 is 12. Then 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. So we got this A square is equal to, after this we can write it as A square is A square will be 12 plus 6 plus 1. So 12 plus 6 plus 1 is 19. Then it is 4. Then it is 8. So we can write the answer as 19, 4, 8. 19, 4, 8. Then 1 12 8, 1 12 8, and the last one is 14 6 15, 14 6 15. So this we have calculated a cube. Next is a square. Next is a cube is equal to a square into a. So a square into a means first we have to write a square. So what is a square? A square is a 19 4 8, 19 4 8, 1 12 8, 1 12 8, 14 6 15, 9 plus 1 10 is 8. So into a 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 2 1, then 4 2 1, 4 2 1. So now we have to multiply first row and first column. First row and first column is first row is what? 19 into 1 is 19, plus 4 into 3 is 12, plus 8 into 4. So it is 3 by 3. It is also 3 by. So we are getting 3 by 3 matrix again. So 19 into 4 is 19, plus 4 into 12 is 12. 19 plus 12 plus 8 plus 4 is 32. So we get the answer as 63. We get it is 63. The first entry is 63. Next one is 19 into 2 is 19 into 2 is 38. Then 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So we get the answer as 46. We get it is 46. Next one is next element is 19 into 3 is 57. Then 4 into 1 is 4. 8 into 1 is 8. So it is 69. So it is 69. So next one is the second row and first column. Second row and first column. The second row is 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, plus 12 into 3 is 36, plus 8 into 4 is 32. So this will be 69 again. 69. Next is 1 into second row and second column. 1 into 2 is 2. 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. And 8 into 2 is 60. So 2 minus 24 plus 16 is minus 6. Minus 6. Next is the second row and third column. 1 into 2, 3 is 3. 12 into 1 is 12, plus 8. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Is 23. Next, for third row and first column. So 14 into 1 is 14, plus 6 into 3 is 18, plus 15 into 4 is 60. So this will be 92. 92. Next will be 14 into 2 is 28. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. 15 into 2 is 30. So it is 46. 46. Next element is 15 into 3 is 30. 15 into 3 is 45. Sorry, 14 into 3 is 42. 42. Then 42 plus 6 into 1 is 6. 42 plus 6 is 48. 48 plus 15 is 48. 58. 63. 63. So we have calculated a square and a cube. First we have calculated a square by this, and a cube also we have calculated. Next we have to calculate what is 23i. So what is 23i? 23. Now we want only a cube. We don't want all that other terms. So we have to calculate a cube now. A cube calculated. 23 into a. So what is 23 into A? 23. Students, we have calculated 23 into A, 23 into given matrix. So it is a multiplication of a matrix by a scalar multiplication we have studied. So each entry is multiplied by this 23. So 23 into 1 is 23, 23 into 2 is 46, 23 into 3 is 69. So 23, each element is multiplied from this. Next we have to calculate what is 40 into I. What is 40 into I? So what is 40 into I? Means 40 into a matrix 40 into a matrix of identity. I is identity matrix. Identity matrix of, now all the matrix is of 3 by 3. So I also we have to consider that is of 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 identity matrix, we know that it is 1 0 0 0 1 0, then 0 0 1. So this is the identity matrix. When if it is multiplied with the 40, means each entry is multiplied with 40. So this will be equal to 40 0 0 0 40 0 0 0 40. So this is a matrix of 40I. Now we have all the entries A cube, 23 and 23A and 40I. Now we consider that equation, which equation A cube minus 23A. We consider that equation and simplify, and we have to get it is 0, means 0 matrix. We have to get a matrix 0 matrix. So what is that equation is given? Equation is A cube minus 23A minus 40I. So consider A cube minus 23, A cube minus 23A minus 40I. So we have all the entries. A cube will be a matrix. A cube is 63, 46, 63, 46, 69, then 69 minus 6, 23, then 92, 46, then 63. So this is A cube minus 23A. So 23A is what we have calculated. 23 into A is 23, 23, then 23 into 1 is 23, then 46, then 69, 69. Next 23 into 3 is 69. Next minus 46, minus 46, and 23, 23. Next one is a 23 into 4 is 92, 92, 46, 92, 46, and 23. So this is 23A minus 40I, minus 40I, minus 40I is 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. So this is a matrix what we have calculated. Now we can see, so it is 63. Now first matrix minus second matrix minus second matrix. Now we can see here it is 63 minus 23 minus 40. So 63, 23 minus 40 is 23. So we get it is equal to, we get this is equal to 0. The first entry is 0. Next 46 minus 46 is 0. Next 69 minus 69 minus 0 is a 0. Is a 0. Next is 69 minus 69, that is 0. Next one is a minus 6. Minus into minus is a plus 46. Plus 46 minus 6 is plus 40, minus 40 will be 0. Next is 23 minus 23 and 0 is 0. So 92 minus 92 0. 46 minus 46 0 is 0. Next 63 minus 23 minus 40 will be 0. So we got a 0 means it is a 0 matrix. So this will be equal to 0. So we have proved AQ minus 23A minus 40I is equal to 0. So this problem is also very important for 5 marks. So I have solved 1, 3, 4 problems. All these problems are very important for 5 marks. Any one problem can be asked from this section for 5 marks. So one problem is always from the 5 mark problem is always from the algebra of matrices. In that also property of addition or properties of multiplication or distributive property or other property. So this is one of the problem. Next we calculate one more problem for same kind, second one. Find, it is to find now, not to calculate. Find a square minus 5a if a is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Now it is to calculate a square minus 5a, a square minus 5a plus 6i if a is given. First row is 201, second row is 213 and third row is 1 minus 1 0. So first calculate a square. A square will be equal to a into a. So this will be equal to, we have to calculate a into a. A is given 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. This is one matrix. A into a, again a square is a into a. So again same matrix, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. So this is a matrix a square, a into a. So this will be equal to, what is a square? First row and first column, So first row is this 2, 0, 1 and first column is 2, 2, 1. So 2 into 2 is 4, 0 into 2 is or we can write all the elements. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 0, 0 into 2 is 0 plus 1. Next one, first row and second column, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0 plus 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1, 1 into minus 1. Next first row and a third column, so 2 into 1 is 2, then 0 into 3 is 0, next 1 into 0 is 0. Next second row and first column, 2 into 4 plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3. Next 2 into 0 is 0, then 1 into 1 is 1, then 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, then 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 3 is 3, 0 is a 0. Is a 0. Next 1 into third row and first column, so 1 into 2 is 2, then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, then 0 into 1 is 0, next 1 into 0 is 0, next minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, next 0 into 1 is 0, next 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, then 0 into 0 is 0. So this is the matrix. So this will be equal to what is the matrix we get now? We can see here 3 by 3, 3 by 3, answer is also of 3 by 3. So 3 by 3 means we get it is 5 minus 1 2, 5 minus 1 2, next 9 minus 2, then 5, next 0 minus 1 is minus 2. So we have calculated a square. 5 minus 1 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 and minus 2. Now we have to calculate 5 into a and 6 into I. 5 into a, because we wanted to find out minus 5a plus 6i. So 5 into a is 2 0 1, then 2 1 3, 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. So 5 into a will be 10 0 5, 10 0 5, next 10 5 15, 10 5 15, next last one is 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 5 0. Now each element is multiplied with this, so this is a matrix. Next we have to calculate 6 into I. Again 6 into I means I is a matrix of order 3 by 3, so we can write it as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is a matrix of order 3 by 3, so this will be equal to 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So now we have calculated all these. Next we have to simplify that value a square minus 5a plus 6i. So I'll consider only that a square. I'll consider the value of, or I'll simplify a square minus 5a plus 6i. Now it is not to show it is equal to 0 or any other value. We have to simplify what we have to get the value of that. So this will be 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2, next minus 5i minus 10 0 5, 10 0 5, next 10 5 15, 10 5 15, 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 0, it is minus 5a plus 6i plus 6i plus 6 into I is 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So I have substituted all the values. Now we have to simplify these and get the answer. What is that value we have to simplify? So what is the value we get here? What is the value? Again it is of 3 by 3 matrix. The first one is 5 minus 10 is minus 5 plus minus 5 plus 6 is plus 1 plus 1. plus 1. Next minus 1 minus 0 0 is minus 1. Next 2 minus 5, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, minus 3. Next 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Then minus 2, minus 2 minus 5, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. Then 5 minus 15 is minus 10. Minus 2 minus 7 plus 6. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 plus 6 is minus 1. Second this element. Next 5 minus 15 is minus 10. Next 0 minus 5 is minus 5 only. Next minus 1 minus plus minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4, plus 4 0 is 4. Next last one is minus 2, 0 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 6 is, here also one entry, plus 6 is minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. So this is the value of a square minus 5a plus 6i. 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 10 minus 5 4 and 4. So this is the answer of a square minus 5a plus 6i. So this problem is also very important to calculate the value of given problems. Next one is next problem. Next problem. If a is equal to 3 minus 2 4 minus 2, 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 and I 1001, find k, find k, find the value of k so that, find the value of k so that a square is equal to ka minus 2i. Here we have to calculate the value of k so that a square is equal to ka minus 2i. So first what we have to calculate, we have one equality like a square is equal to k into a minus 2i. So first to calculate a square, then calculate k is a constant, k into given matrix A, then 2 into I, identity matrix. So then find out the left hand side and right hand side separately, then equate. We have studied equality of matrices also, so equate two matrices and simplify. So first we have to calculate what is a square. A square is again a into a, so a into a is equal to 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 2 4 minus 2. Now it is a multiplication of 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 by 2 into 2 by 2 is again we are getting 2 by 2. So first row and first column, first and first 3 into 2 is a 9, 9 then minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. So 9 minus 8 is, or if you want I'll write 9 minus 8 first entry. Next second entry 3 into minus 6, minus 6 plus 4, minus 6 plus first row and second column. Next second row and first column, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8, and last one entry is 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, minus 8 plus 4, minus 8 plus 4. So we get the answer as 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 4 and minus 4. 1 minus 2. Hello students, we have calculated a square and ka minus 2i also we have calculated, and it is given ka minus 2i is equal to a square therefore we can now two matrices are same order 2 by 2 matrices, so two matrices are equal. When it is equal, their corresponding elements are equal. A11 is equal to A11 of two matrices, their corresponding elements are equal. So now if we can equate A11 is equal to A11, here A22 is A22, but we want the value of A, so I can equate only one, so I'll take 4k is equal to k. Since matrices are equal, 4k is equal to 4, so this implies k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1. The question is to calculate, to find what is the value of k. So we got the value of k is 1. So this is one of the problem. Next problem. Before that, I'll give one homework problem. Homework. The first one is the first problem is I'll give one homework problem. Then if a is equal to 1 0 2, then 0 2 1 2 0 3, prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. So this is one of the problem, and simplify this problem and get this is equal to 0. Thank you.